Hi everybody, it's April. Welcome back to my channel, Crafty Goodness. Today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the gnomes that I have set out for my fall Halloween decor that I've made. So simple to make. There's lots of DIY videos out there, and I can do one if anybody wants, but it's basically all Dollar Tree products. So this little guy, he's a little baby. He's so cute. So everything on him is from Dollar Tree except the pom-poms and the beard. So he's just filled with rice, Dollar Tree. The socks are from the Dollar Tree, and I collect those socks. Whenever they come out with like cute patterned, different color socks, I grab them because once they're there, once they come into the store, they're gone immediately. So if I see them, I grab them and I just put them in my stash so I have, different colors and stuff for when I'm making gnomes. But anyway, so there's this guy, really cute. He's just a little Halloween / fall gnome. He's got a pom-pom on the end of his thing here. And the beard, this is like the fake fur that you can get at, I get mine at Hobby Lobby. It's over like where the felt and stuff is, and they have different colors of this. But I typically tend to go with this color, like either the cream or the white. And then I just put a like tannish pom-pom right there for his nose. So there he is. He's a little bit smaller than the other ones you'll see, but he's cute. Then I have this one. So this one's a little bit bigger. I did his body in black, and then I did his hat in orange and black, and then I put an orange pom-pom right there, his beard, obviously, his nose, and just to kind of do something different, I wrapped a pack of those decorative lights from Dollar Tree. These are like the maple leaves around, so like at night sometimes I turn it on and it just looks super cute, because he's got leaves on him. But he's cute, super cute. This one actually was my husband's idea. So he was like, why don't you make a pumpkin gnome? And I was like, okay. Making the base, the body part of him look like a pumpkin. Then I was like, oh my gosh, I have all of those Dollar Tree foam pumpkins that I always use to redo. So I was like, I wonder what it would look like if I just put that on there. So yeah, I used the Dollar Tree foam pumpkin as his body, and then I put the cone on top, and I just made the cone black. I put a little sticker right there, a little pumpkin sticker just for decor. I put a little orange pom-pom right there on the end. There's his nose, and then here's his beard. So I think he turned out super cute. And this was actually really cool too, because I didn't have to fill anything with rice. I didn't have to, paint or do anything with this. I just literally left it orange. This is the way I got it. I just pulled the stem off of the top of it, and then I hot glued the cone on, and then, yeah, this guy, so cute. He turned out so adorable. So I definitely want to make some more of these. Just because, the possibilities are endless with this as the base. And then the other one I did, which was also my husband's idea, was to do a witch gnome. And I think he turned out so cute. So, again, I did black sock, basically just for the base. I have a white beard, his little nose, or her little nose. I glued on a little witch broom that I had in my stash. I just kind of like glued it right there so it was on the side. And then this hat, this witch hat, is actually from Dollar Tree as well. And it's, what is this called? I can't think of the name of these. Oh, what is the name of this stuff? But anyway, it's shiny, it's perfect, it's cute, it was $1, and I just basically put it on top and hot glued it. I should actually put a purple pom-pom right here just to give it something little, but I think he turned out so adorable, or she, whatever. But yeah, so these are the ones that I have currently. So I have my witch, my pumpkin, and again, this one, awesome. Using this as the base, so cute. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified of any future videos that I have. And I will see you again on the next one. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.